Brother.
Man, then there's a new office sitting clean.
What else them there, brother?
No.
What, 2 hen and 1 cock? Yeah. Here peeps, back with our next banging adventure video. On the way to Hermitage Dam, you know, and the whole crew. See Chris there, see Marta there, see C4 visuals there. Yeah, I'm gonna catch some swim around for you today, huh? Well, that's the hope. Hope to get some.
Those already, Chris.
I not those, but only for fisherman, I see you not come back in with nothing.
That's why name fishing though, not catching though.
True.
Encourage me to come back. Me and the boys stick a man come to the last time.
Just go and stay tuned, peeps. We don't reach around the dam yet, but
Like the China boy them can
soon
fix
reach
the bus.
around there and show no what go on.
What you mean if they can't bring it back?
People no comment and tell me the China boy them could have bring back the bus.
Right now,
Yeah man, the Chinese them can fix this man.
right now, I take that bus right, Chris, and go to the kitchen.
Yeah, no that would do.
Yeah.
That would have good for your channel.
Wow.
A kitchen bus.
Chris will laugh.
Yeah, peeps.
Yeah,
While we on the way to dam mart, see one white wing.
Oh man, who no claim so I don't see it.
Well, no, I see it, I
But
see
one
it.
sit there, man, go dead.
Alright.
See it, yeah? Ready. But no, that's so still, guys.
Go on ahead, man. In the upper. I see him fly out of the road while the car drive come.
Look at the face bird, that ground there,
See him there, man?
Yeah, no star. I don't know why I think that bad, man.
How what kind of bird that?
It's like a ground dove, that.
You not
Yeah,
can
you-
eat same
you
way, man?
One ground dove. You not get shot, Chris?
Yeah, him wounded.
See him there? You can see him watch my brush it off. See him right there, sir.
Him
You
wounded.
wounded, man. See him
Get
right
him,
there,
Chris,
sir.
get
See him
him.
right there, sir. See him? Bad man. See thing there right there, sir. I bleed. Chris, I laugh. See,
Right between the
see him
local
there, sir,
stick
Chris.
them there, so
Right
up on the
between-
hillside.
See my pick all the part where you shoot him there.
I'm blind.
I'm not sure I can run then.
Think kind of bird that.
I'm not sure you see him. You can't even move, bad man.
Clot.
How are they?
Him fly off now.
You not see him.
Him are dead still,
Him fly. Him get wounded, man.
Him
Me
are
hear
dead.
when him ball out
Him
now.
are dead.
You show now, you shoot now.
Oh,
Chris,
Chris.
say him are dead, show I.
Come like a you are really better shooter. Yeah, peeps. Reach a spot. I take on the journey now. On the way to Hermitage Dam. So, buck up in a big yard dog. We have to pass him still. But we have to pass him, forget where we're going. Easy, Jasper.
Okay, I died, Chris.
All we know is a biting dog. Yeah, peeps. So,
Run him around for the water, Papa.
see it here. This is it.
Chris, so them are talk about a bridge out. I think I could board for whole bridge now. So which place say man?
I don't know what kind of fish we can get out of this, but well, generally when the people them come up here, what kind of fish them generally can catch up here again? What the fish name perch, yeah. Mostly perch, they're nice. So that's how we hope for today.
Big upon the rafting all gone out there.
Yeah man, this deep
Yo,
man.
you never know say damn big, you know?
Yeah man.
So
Alright,
when
this
the
is
man
actually
say-
my first time coming over here.
So when the man said the dam have all in 20% of water.
A whole heap of water
A whole
same
heap
way
of
man.
water said we, man.
A 20% they can drown a whole village.
They can't stay there.
Whole heap of water man.
Yeah, peeps, see this? Yeah, man. Like a fishing time, though. What do you call it? Fishing or catching?
Fishing.
Nah,
Yeah.
man, I catching it name to them, man. So I catch something.
Well, so we're sure we catch something.
Yeah, now Hermitage, man. Show them how to go on. First, I come to the place, yeah.
Yeah,
I
it's a
live
good
so
look.
near, though, Chris.
5 minutes.
5 minutes away, I don't even know.
The dam almost 100% full though. I don't know if you saw go on peeps, but beside depth like up here so we max out.
So wait, about 90% though.
I put 5
Would have put, yeah, you see me? 195% full.
Not big enough, Chris.
Because when it full, peeps, it run over here, so. As me just showing you depth, I wait there right so far. Almost full.
Catch,
Look a peaceful thing in the light, bro.
catch some only for fish out right here now. Catch and cook style, huh?
That is it.
When you do is catch a seat and look.
Why? You're not partaking in fishing?
Last time I come, I get the fish and they encourage me at all. About 10 hours coming, you know.
See you not get nothing.
10 hours. I will catch one man catch a fish bowl like this. I'm tell them some man. See me not get piece of this. If I have no spoon out type. Yeah man, I'm not serious when me attack.
If I even a spoon.
About 10 hours. Cause we dey go one beach trip the next day and the man I say, oh I catch some fish and you can cook for the beach trip. Beer ideas the man them have for this thing. You know?
No fish, John.
One.
Disappointment.
I say them fish and encourage man to come back, you know. I now come back up yourself.
It's a hot one, man. Yeah, fret boat.
Alright, so stay tuned.
Just come and get all not up, it's not free. Alright, this is your thing.
Alright then.
Where hook the way out? Where the hook them?
Use the chopper knife it up, man.
Yeah guys, you wanna see that?
So what that for mats?
This is a bait for today. Liver, Shamar say. Yeah man. Liver inside be a bait today.
I feel it can work, you know?
It have to work.
Have to.
Yeah, I mean.
Cut them now some nice bite size.
Alright. Low down my way now.
Hold it up when you finish.
Yeah man. You know you have to hide the hook and all that though.
Oh.
And by swim away then smart, you know. They're not foolish like fish. See it?
See that,
Over the
peeps?
hook, you know?
Long time fisherman a teach you know this.
No fisherman.
Swim around, man.
Why?
Alright. That was a good cast. Oh, tell catch not yet?
Yeah.
Because if you can't catch one, we catch
Where's the popcorn?
why we did half an hour water so you can catch it.
That one?
This really bad?
See what I'm tell her going with. They say no catch a snapper yet.
Nothing like that, boy. But
No.
anyway, take it still, something still have to go cook though.
Yeah, regardless.
Feed mackerel though.
If I even that.
But
Because when we don't do this, we are go hungry regardless.
Yeah. I have to catch something, man.
I feel like more go down to the lighthouse part.
You feel like,
Yeah, down at the guardhouse section there.
Yeah.
Feel like down there so it's a better spot.
Yeah.
What you think? Anything could be better we go down at the lighthouse spot, go check there so. After we done here so still. We done fish out here so. If we don't get anything.
Next time I come up here, I bring the real gears.
My pick, man.
See if we're right as fret. Never think
Pick
about
you,
it.
patch it, alright? But I look more than pick.
Yeah.
Let me see everyone find here something fiddly. Yeah, that's too big, man. Too big. I just the hook if you cover, you know, like a pint big part. That is it.
Brother,
Man,
I
they just
tell-
a
watch
nyam
out.
off is sitting clean.
I tell you them there, brother.
No.
Joke. Give me a piece, mother, for me.
Yeah, guys, so as we telling you, say, what you call it? Fishing, not catching, no. Yeah, man, the day done. Nothing. Watch it, see Shamar there, weird, so. Watch him. Nothing.
Just a pick some water bush to go feed the fish them in my tank. I'm not catch a thing.
Yeah, man, but don't know, we still have to go cook something, though. Yeah, man.
Oh God, yeah.
Here's a silkie.
A man that 2 woman that. Yeah.
Fluffy man.
2 woman that.
2 man.
This is the man. Yeah, this is the man.
Look like you can use all them here make wig.
Yes.
Upon them. Feather down to them feet. They look like some sheep. A uptown chicken them, man. If anybody know, please comment and tell me what kind of chicken them.
See this, guys? We go fishing today. Bird hunting. No catch nothing, so okay. 2 little chicken food we have to buy. And we have to buy all 2 pull the bag now, Chris, man. We have to buy 2 silky fowl too.
Well, we could have waste with the peeps.
Yeah,
we go for catch fish, we not catch no fish. We shoot off a bird, we not get no bird. So we just support our next local businessman on we way out. I see the clips in the video. Buy some silky chicken. First, me actually I see them still. But I'm gonna start off the chicken farming with them here. You know, 2 hen and 1 cock. Yeah. First, me I see them. I don't know if you never see them before, but make we know. Chris done film food already.
I'm going to kill me.
No C4? Yeah, go hard, man.
I'm chop too.
Yeah. Yeah, my one, see my one here. That we have the PORK. Yeah, peeps. So just.
Yeah, man, just sketch up on the next adventure. I don't know if it's
That one ain't never epic still, you know.
epic,
But the next one I got epic.
Yeah, man.
That one was just a look at therapy. It was therapeutic.
That's all, man.
Nothing more.
Let me see a silk here.
Yeah, guys. I put them in them new temporary home, you know.
Yeah.
Soon build something nice to them. But
man.
for tonight, that's how them asleep.
Wow, clutch.
Yeah.
Nice, like a silky. I had the cock on this.
The first one I'm putting in that one, yeah.
Yeah, man. See them there? Yeah, guys.